Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Adrianne. Y'all missed me because I missed y'all. So I'm starting off with some freshly washed and conditioned and deep conditioned hair. I just did a review on the Kenya Moore hair care line. You guys can click right above to check out that video. But I'm just going to go ahead and re-wet my hair before I go in with my absolute favorite leave-in conditioner, which is the Mousse Beauty leave-in conditioner. I'm going to just, apply this to my hair like I always do. This is always the base for pretty much all of my hairstyles lately. Has been this Mousse leave-in conditioner because I absolutely love it. It's the best thing since sliced bread. If you don't have none, you need to get you some. Okay? So now it is time for the star of the show, which is the African Pride Moisture Miracle Flaxseed Gel and Shea Butter Curl Defining Gel and Cream. Whew, that's a long title. But yeah, this is the star of the show. I am going to be using this today in my hair. This is how I mainly do my wash and goes. Is I do the rake-in method, and then I go in and I start doing the smoothing method with the praying hands. The praying hands method. That is how my wash and goes have been coming out so good lately. It's just by me using this method. I like to do my wash and goes in the shower now, which hence why I have been recording in the shower. So yeah, this product actually feels very good on my hair. I like the fact that it's a gel and a cream, and it did really good on my hair. You guys will see the results, but as far as while it's wet, I liked it. The only thing I can say is that this is on the second side of my hair. As you guys can see, I literally use the whole bottle on this one wash and go. So I don't know what the price of this is. I'll put it on the screen if I can find it. But it only lasted one wash and go because I'm so heavy-handed and my hair is so thick. But yeah, so I went ahead and used it. That's the only bad thing I can say about it. My hair really did feel really good as I used this in my hair. And most African Pride products are affordable, so I can't see it being that expensive. So after I did that, I went in with the African Pride Curl Mousse. I only did this because it came in the curl box that I had. So I just went ahead and used them together just as like a topper on top of my my styler, just for more curl definition. It smelled amazing. Oh my gosh, this mousse was just, it was really nice smell. Yeah, so that's all I have to say about the products. I really did like them, and my hair felt moisturized. It looked really good. You guys are about to see the results, so just stay tuned. Hey guys, so today is day one of my hair. You guys saw me in the shower yesterday. Styling my hair with the leave-in conditioner and using this one product that I absolutely like a lot, the African Pride Gel and Cream. I was intrigued to purchase this product. Actually, I didn't purchase it. It came in a curl box. I was intrigued to try this product out because, usually I use a cream and then a gel over my wash and go. So just having one product with a gel and a cream seemed like a win-win for a wash and go. So, and I think it was a win-win, honestly. This is my hair. All I did was actually just let my hair, I let it sit for about 30 minutes to an hour, and then I end up diffusing it, stretching it, banding it out, and this is what I got today. So this is the end of the day. I did my hair this morning. I didn't have time to film it, first thing this morning, but as the day went on, this is what my hair looks like. It looks really good. The volume is there to say that it is day one hair. I will say that I used more product on this side of my hair than I did on this side of my hair. So my hair is a little bit more stiffer on this side and softer on this side. So this side, as you can see, I have a lot more frizz, but on this side it's more controlled. And honestly, I can tell that this side's gonna last longer. So being heavy-handed and with this product it didn't do anything wrong. It's okay to be. So I would definitely go heavier handed with this product next time. To me, I feel like my hair doesn't have that shine that I would like. So my hair does look a little dull, but of course you can fix that with just adding some oil to my hair, and yeah. Alright, so if you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to give me a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out. Be sure to like this video, subscribe, comment down below, turn your notification bells on, and come back for my next video, okay? Bye guys. Mwah.